Yes, be ready. Start. Over the past month, 20 million residents of the National Capital Region have shaved off at least some part of their life expectancies by breathing in this region's poisonous air. Full stop. Not only is this one of the most pressing public health disasters of our time, it can also chokehold major initiatives of this government as such the Make in India campaign and the ease of doing business rankings being promoted internationally. Full stop. Which rational international player would want to put his or her health in risk to come to the most polluted place on earth to do business? Question mark. Air quality index measures the concentration of fine particulate matter in the air. Full stop. As a benchmark, the US Environmental Protection Agency considers any value between 0 to 50 to represent good air quality. Full stop. But this session areas in the NCR have been record breaking values of as high as 1000 on the index, 20 times the prescribed limit for dignified human existence. Full stop. What makes PM 2.5 particles extremely dangerous is their cancerous ability to penetrate the human body and stick onto the insides of the lungs. Full stop. In my own experience, 1 in 5 people at my company in Gurgaon have reported sick within a week alone. Full stop. My child's school had to be closed as a question. When it did reopen, the setting of mask clad children in smoke made the school seem less like a place of study. Full stop. Next stanza. As a parent, I feel awful that my child has to breathe this air because I made Delhi my home. Full stop. As much as 100 immediate deaths would rightfully demand national attention as a disasters, millions of slow deaths from the even more urgent disaster. Full stop. What is making this problem invincible? Question mark. A large part of the answer ties into Delhi's geography. Full stop. The cold fronts that originate from the north of the city look in pollutants close to the ground and within the region. Full stop. Lack of wind speed and low temperatures stagnate and solidify the pollutants that intensifies their effect. Full stop. It is as if you kept releasing pollutants inside a house with very poor ventilation. Full stop. According to a recent study carried out by IIT Kanpur, the mix of source responsible for PM 2.5 changes seasonally in the region. Full stop. Vehicular emissions account for 25% of PM 2.5. 30% is accounted for by others. Full stop and over.